game scheduled for release on November 19, 2026 for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series XS after multiple delays is Grand Theft Auto 6. First delay, the game was subsequently delayed to an exact date of May 26, 2026. November 2026 final date, the date was further delayed by 6 months to its current scheduled release of November 19, 2026. The official reason provided by Rockstar for the delays is to allow for the level of polish you have come to expect and deserve, and ensure the game meets their high-quality standards. The extended development time aims to avoid the technical issues that have sometimes plagued other major game launches. The game returns to the fictional US state of Leonida, which is based on Florida. The primary location is a modern-day Vice City, inspired by Miami, but the world also includes other areas like the Grass Rivers, Everglades, the Leonida Keys, Florida Keys, and Port Gilhom. It featured two main protagonists, a criminal couple named Lucia Caminos and Jason Duval. Lucia is the first non-optional female lead in the series' history. Their story is said to be inspired by the real-life outlaws Bonnie and Clyde. The first trailer, released in December 2023, broke YouTube records for views and likes in 24 hours and is now the most viewed trailer in YouTube history. The second trailer was released in May 2025 and also broke numerous records, becoming the biggest video launch ever by reaching 475 million views in 24 hours. GTA 6 graphics are a significant improvement over previous titles, featuring hyper-realistic details like volumetric clouds and ray-traced reflections, advanced lighting, and incredibly lifelike character and environmental rendering. The game showcases a new level of detail in everything from the physics of objects to the appearance of characters and weather effects, utilizing next-gen technology to create a stunning and immersive experience. Grand Theft Auto 6 is set to feature a highly immersive world with a massive, detailed map of the state of Leonida, including Vice City and various other environments like swamps, beaches, and industrial areas. The game aims to push open-world realism through an immersion stack of highly detailed animations, more interior spaces, and dynamic AI, which will make the world feel more alive and believable without being overly noticeable. This approach is expected to provide an unprecedented level of interaction and a more dynamic experience for players. Grand Theft Auto 6 is expected to significantly increase immersion and realism through advanced NPC AI, realistic physics, dynamic weather, and more detailed environments, similar to the depth seen in Red Dead Redemption 2. Key features will include more lifelike NPC routines and reactions, detailed environmental interactions like destructible objects, advanced physics for water and vehicles, and specific climate effects that impact gameplay. Grand Theft Auto 6 centers on a criminal duo, Lucia and Jason, whose story is heavily inspired by Bonnie and Clyde. The tone is expected to be more serious and grounded than GTA 5, focusing on the couple's life of crime in the state of Leonida, Florida, as they navigate a criminal conspiracy. The narrative explores their relationship and reliance on each other to survive. The expected price for GTA 6 is not officially confirmed, but rumors suggest the standard edition could cost around $80 to $100 globally, approximately 8,800 rupees. In India, the standard edition is at 5,999 rupees, with special editions costing higher, potentially up to 7,299 rupees or more. Expected features of GTA 6 Online. 1. Deep role-playing.
GTA 6 will release soon.